Close Skyrim completely. Exit Steam as well. Restart your PC. Launch Skyrim again and check whether the physics glitch is still happening. Not true. 2. Disable creature and physics mods. Temporarily disable horse, mammoth, creature, animation, and physics-related mods. Start Skyrim and test the same location. If the problem disappears, a mod is likely causing the issue. 3. Check your mod load order. Open your mod manager. Check for conflicting creature, animation, and physics mods. Make sure required patches are installed. Sort your load order using a trusted load order tool. 4. Update SE and installed mods. Make sure SE matches your current Skyrim version. Update outdated animation and physics mods. Check each mod's requirements. Remove mods that are incompatible with your current game version. 5. Verify Skyrim game files. Open Steam and go to your Skyrim library. Right-click Skyrim and select Properties. Open installed files. Select Verify integrity of game files. Launch Skyrim after the verification finishes. Number 6. Limit extremely high FPS. Avoid running Skyrim at an unnecessarily high frame rate. Use your GPU control panel or an FPS limiter if needed. Test the game again after applying a stable FPS limit. This can help when physics behavior becomes unstable. Number 7. Test without recently installed mods. Think about when the flying behavior started. Disable mods installed or updated around that time. Test Skyrim after each change. Re-enable compatible mods individually to identify the problematic one. Number 8. Test with a new save. Create a temporary new game. Visit an area containing horses or mammoths. Check whether the creatures still fly or launch into the air. If the new save works normally, the original save may be affected. Number 9. Reset custom physics settings. Temporarily remove custom physics configurations. Disable experimental animation or creature physics features. Restore default settings where possible. Test Skyrim again before adding custom physics back. Number 10. Perform a clean mod game reinstall. Back up your saves before making major changes. Remove the mod responsible for the problem if you identified it. Reinstall the affected mod with all required dependencies. If Skyrim still has physics problems without mods, consider a clean game installation as a final troubleshooting step.